Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kids Me, and I am back again with another video. As you can tell from the title and right here in this clip, I am going to be doing a half up, half down style with a headband wig. Yes, I'm telling y'all, the headband wigs are the move. They are so versatile, and I wanted to show y'all something different in this video. So as you can see, the hair that I received is going to be from Ali Pearl Hair. This is going to be the packaging. They gave me a few cute headband pieces to pair with this unit, as well as a wig cap that I didn't use. And I absolutely love this scarf that they added in the bag as well. And I'm going to show you a couple ways to actually wear that scarf. The unit that I am going to be wearing is Brazilian curly headband wig. It is in 28 inches, and it doesn't say the density on the site, but my assumption is that the density has to be 200% density because it's extremely full. And as you can see, the wig comes with the 5 standard clips as well as the Velcro that goes around the side for the headband piece. So here you're going to see me go ahead and split my hair in half. I won't even really say that I split my hair in half because I didn't leave a lot of leave out at the top. But you'll just see what I am doing, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved the style. And then I'm going to come back on the screen and give you a review of this hair. Also, please disregard the hair tie that you can see in this video, as well as the gel buildup on the side of my face. I didn't even notice it, y'all. And as you can see, this is the finished look. I am absolutely in love with it. Look how flawlessly it just blends in. As you can see, that's just a little glare right there from the gel buildup that I have on my hair, but look how flawlessly that blends in. You can't even really see the headband piece. And I absolutely love this unit from Ali Pearl Hair. Like, look how thick and luscious this is. Like, it gives you all the fullness that you need, the right curl. It's not too tight, but it's not too loose. I love me a nice curl pattern as well as a full wig. I am one of those people where I like my wigs to be full like this. So I'm not sure about y'all, but this is literally perfect for me. And as you can see, as I throw it over my shoulder, is literally all the fullness that I need. I still have some more in the back if I wanted to throw that back over my shoulder. I could. It's just gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous. So I absolutely love the half up, half down look. As you can see, I tried to do the actual ball piece at the top, but to me, I didn't really like it. I kind of like this style better when you have half up, half down, and then you have, you know, some of it flowing one way and some of it flowing the other way. That's just the style that I like, so that's the style that I decided to go with. And y'all, it's everything. I love it. So I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all, of course, something different. Of course, with these headband wigs, to put them on, it doesn't take any time. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you what I always tell you, is that these wigs have so much versatility to them. There's so many different styles that you can do with these wigs, even with the headband piece already attached to it. As you can see, because it is black, it's literally just blending right in with the rest of my hair, and the curls literally fall over it, so you can't even see. And to top it off with this gorgeous unit, I didn't even have to wash it. I didn't put any product on it. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. And y'all know I'm all for defining the curls, but this didn't even really need it. Like, the curls are already popping without any product. But of course, because this is curly hair, you want to try not to manipulate it too many times, because of course, as you continuously run your hands through it, it's going to create frizz. I embrace the frizz. I like the frizz, so it doesn't bother me. But that's just something I wanted to warn you about as well. Love this hair. 10 out of 10. If I can rate it above a 10, I definitely would. Quality, smell, the shedding, no tangling, just absolutely perfect. Even when we putting it up into a ponytail, I didn't have to struggle too much with the hair to get it up in a ponytail, and I love that about this hair. I'm gonna put all of Ali Pearl's information down in the description box below. Stick around. I'm going to show you the rest of the styles with the headband pieces that they gave me inside of my box.